Welcome to Vue's low voltage training videos. The overarching goal is to illustrate some key highlights for installing Vue's product line. You must become familiar with shipping labels, product item numbers, packing slips, interconnect drawings in its entirety, and the bill of materials, which is located on the interconnect drawings. Chapter 10: Installing Window Controllers. The window controller provides power and data transmission to each IGU. It provides the signal to the dynamic glass unit, allowing it to change tint states. The window controllers will ship individually or in large groups. The window controller has pre-terminated male and female keyed connectors at each end. One end is identified with a blue label, which connects to the Vue drop cable. The other end is identified with a brown label, which connects to the IGU cable. Vue ships each window controller with a sticker that indicates the exact location for installation into a project. You will find this window controller ID number in the interconnect drawings. There is a second sticker on the window controller, which is the CAN bus ID. This is used for programming and monitoring purposes only. When installing the window controllers in the field, make sure you always have access to this device in the future for serviceability. Do not hide window controllers behind walls. You will notice two lights on the window controller. The network light indicates that the window controller is properly communicating with the control panel, and the module light indicates that the window controller is properly communicating with the Vue glass unit. Here is a look at the finished product. Thank you for watching Vue's low voltage training video. Be sure to always reference the most current Vue interconnect drawings, installation guides, and data sheets. For questions or additional information, email lowvoltagetraining@vue.com or contact your Vue project manager.